Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mr. Tech. Thank you for subscribing and liking my videos, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. So guys, this patch is for unlocking all Mkopa phones. Guys complained that the other previous patch, which was a temporary one, was not working. This is a permanent one, unless you enter the code that will give you and activate and enroll the device again. But it's a permanent one, it cannot relock, nothing else. So guys, you press emergency, it will go here, the dial, put star hash, then you're going to input your code there. So the code is universal to all devices. This code is the one that is used during the manufacturing of the phone and the installation of the software. So you can see this code, you star hash star, then after you finish entering the code, immediately it will show a black lock screen. This black page is saying device already enrolled. It is asking for the device to be enrolled, but already. So there down is a button says unenroll. So we are going to remove enrollment. The moment you press it, it will jump to the software lock screen. Just restart the device because for the changes to be made. So now restart the device. So this code, it is the one that is used to service your phone. Remember that Mkopa phones, they cannot be flashed. So I know you might be wondering what will happen if I forget my password. You go to emergency on the lock screen, then input that code. Immediately you put that code, the device, and then restart the device. The soft lock functions will have been disabled so that you can track the device, and so that will ensure that now you can format the device and flash it. So this device is now restarting. This code we managed to get it from one of the Mkopa stores, but privately, not publicly. It was like smuggling it, me and my group. So now we have the code. So guys, I'm going to unlock my phone right now. As you can see, immediately after restarting, on the top there, it is saying that device unenrolled and showing my main numbers. Go to settings. Once you're in settings, go to apps. All apps, show system. So now this device, we're going to find soft lock. I want you guys to see how soft lock behaved. So let's open soft lock. Here is it. Scroll. Don't forget to subscribe, please. So there's soft lock. So as you can see, there's nothing I can do. Already it has jumped to version 4.11. It was 4.56. So storage and khaki, it cannot read the storage because it is not active, it has been deactivated. So let's find the Mkopa app. Now Mkopa app, it was being blocked to be installed by the soft lock app. Now you can uninstall the Mkopa app, and also you can enroll the device on another ISP. So you see the Mkopa app can be installed. It has gone. So let's go to open developer options so that we can track this device. So scroll down. There we are. Build number, hit it several times to open. Developer options. You see developer options have been opened. So you can do anything on account to the PC. Now you can root the device, you can install your track mods. So thank you for watching. Please ensure you subscribe.